Welcome to the video on safety at construction site. Did you know that 90% of accidents are caused by unsafe acts? Implementing safety procedures can help prevent such accidents. Let's go on site. Many accidents can happen when you are working on a site. You can get injured by falling from stairs and edges, through electric shock, while carrying heavy equipment, getting hit by tools, ignoring signs, etc. How can you avoid accidents? Think safety, act safely. The first rule of safety is to wear the correct safety gear while working, which include the hard hat, safety vest, gloves and shoes. Next, always follow the safety and warning signs. Here are some common signs that you will see around your work site. Now let's talk about another common health hazard. Here it comes. When you carry heavy boxes or materials, it hurts your back and you also face a danger of falling. Always use support such as dolly or forklift to carry around materials. Remember, your safety is important not only for you but also for all those who care about you. Think safety, act safely.